Okay, continuing our lecture from previous, we're gonna discuss about FTIR, the concept, all these things together, and you see the pick up all the graph. You have to identify the graph in this FTIR spectrometer. They have an advantage. You can read this advantage and summary for all the instrument that we discuss, UVVs, infrared, and then HPLC, high performance chromatography liquid. So keep reminding that the diagram is very important. It's a little bit different with the other instrument because the block diagram of HPLC have a much upgraded system. They have data system and display, but still have a detector and source to pump all the component here. Then you can see deeper lah yang ini. Scope of liquid chromatography, it is analytical separation technique. And then you can see widespread applicability to substances that are important to industry, science, such as amino acid, protein. So all the component of the biological scope always use the HPLC. So this one is a basic component. You can digest all these things. Okay, this one is a instrument that look like in our sample. In our instrument, maybe you can see this in FSSA, Faculty Science Sumber Alam. And then all the component here, they need a mobile phase reservoir, characteristic of mobile phase. You can read this. Too much, huh? Properties of common chromatography mobile phase is a upgrading system from the concept of chromatographic in the large area, pumping system, and then the HPLC pump, sample injection system. So you are going deeper during your degree. All these things you can read. All these things. Okay, type of a HPLC, much more. Partition chromatography, ion chromatography, cell exclusion, as your knowledge. It says as your knowledge. Maybe the question only asks for the type. How many types of HPLC, let's say like that. But all the processes you can see in your degree level. And then detectors. What the characteristic of ideal detector for LC? HPLC detector. Too many things for instrument. But you just focus for the concept that I give it to you, the principle, the step. Only that in your level. So you need to know the distribution constant, retention time, capacity, only a little things of keyword. And then you see the graph. Okay. What the graph mean. So you can see in another video that I attached to you. Okay. Then the last one is relationship between polarity and elution time for reverse phase chromatography. It's look like very complicated, but actually in your level, only focus on what objective you want to achieve. Okay, hopefully you can follow my suggestion. Lastly, I wish you can repeat again and again the video that I gave it to you. It is very important to make it familiar for this stuff, since when you further your research, you will use all these instruments maybe in different version and more sophisticated than this. But the most important, like the principle of the instrument itself. Actually, when you do a research for your desired component, it needs a combination of many instruments. You see FTIR, HPLC, spectrometry. To confirm, you need a combination of many instruments to confirm for a particular compound. So not simply you pick up one instrument to do this thing, then you get the whole result. So hopefully you enjoy to study them by heart. Okay, thank you for all. That's all.